today on Designing Spaces. Get in your pool crystal clear. Home renovations prescribed by house doctors, and a good night's sleep starts with the right mattress. Time to design.
Your swimming pool should be your happy place. You know, fun in the sun, maxing and relaxing all summer long. But swimmers are many times left with dry skin and itchy eyes because of the chemicals in the pool. In the past, homeowners and service companies rely on those chemicals to keep the pool looking clear. There is a way, however, to keep your pool looking great while using less chemicals. Ben and Derek are here from PoolRx to tell us more. Guys, tell me, what are homeowners typically dealing with?
Well, Chris, algae. Algae gets in the pool a number of different ways. Through the air, we as people bring it in on swimsuits, contaminated pool tools, even our pets bring algae into the pool, and nobody likes a green pool. So at PoolRx, we use mineral technology, EPA-registered proprietary formula of copper, silver, and zinc to kill and prevent all types of algae for up to 6 months. Green algae, black algae, mustard algae. Now the copper, that destroys the algae cell. The silver makes the chlorine more effective. And then the zinc reduces scale attachment to the side of the pool surface and also works with the copper to kill and prevent the algae. It's really important, Chris, to understand that algae is the #1 consumer of chlorine in the pool. So when a pool owner or a service company uses PoolRx to kill and prevent the algae, you can use a lot less chlorine and other chemicals in that pool, up to 50% less, and also reduce and eliminate the need for specialty chemicals such as phosphate removers altogether.
Derek, this is a game changer. And I know you're the founder of PoolRx. You're saying the minerals are actually doing a lot of the work.
Yes, that's correct, Chris. So you place the unit in the pump basket or the skimmer, and the minerals within 4 to 6 hours dissolve completely out of the unit and into the pool, forming a stable residual of the mineral within the pool. Those minerals kill the algae and bacteria wherever they are in the pool, and any minerals that have not been used up pass back through the cylinder, which is in the pump basket or the skimmer, and gets rejuvenated and goes back out, killing the algae and bacteria, providing a much better environment for you and your family to swim in. And we have various size units depending on your size of body of water. We go from a 100-gallon spa to up to a 5 to 6 million gallon water park that our product's in.
That's incredible. Now, we're talking about not just a better swimming experience, we're also talking about reduced costs, but you're also saying, Ben, it's ease of maintenance as well.
Yeah, we talk to a lot of pool service companies, and as much as they enjoy the cost savings from the chemical reduction, we really hear how much they appreciate the ease of maintenance that PoolRx brings. Less scrubbing, less brushing, no algae issues ever. And obviously, a pool owner would get all of those same benefits and spend less time maintaining their pool and more time enjoying it.
I tell you what, that is phenomenal news for pool owners. Andrea is the CEO of PoolRx, and she's also an Olympic swimmer. Andrea, I know you were telling me this is more than just a business for you. This is about giving back to the next generation.
Yes, absolutely. For us, it's more than creating the happy swims that we talked about. It's about giving back to communities. We consider it our social responsibility. We do that by creating student internships to help them transition from education to career in a supportive environment. Most of us are athletes, so we also help athletes reach our training, competition, and then eventually career goals as well.
And speaking of students, you actually brought some of them with you.
Yeah, there are a few lucky ones. They've joined us here and they've learned a lot. We see them grow every day, and that's very rewarding for us.
Yeah, well, thank you so much for all you're doing, Andrea.
Thank you as well.
I had a dream to play for the U.S. national team, and PoolRx sponsored the pathway for me to get there.
PoolRx has enabled me to train in a full-time environment and travel the world playing rugby.
PoolRx provides real-world business experience through their student internship with the Chamber of Commerce. I'm here with Madison and Parker. Guys, tell me what this experience has been like for you. What would you say you've learned from it?
I feel like I've really learned some great life skills. Some of them are like confidence, flexibility, and time management.
Excellent. Maddie, how about you?
I feel empowered to be able to have the space to share my ideas.
So Andrea and Derek, I'm sensing at PoolRx, there's a bigger mission.
Indeed, Chris. As a family business, we create products for a healthier lifestyle for people, and the bigger mission is investing in younger generations.
This allows us to follow our true passion, which is giving back to the community.
Well, and you're doing that. As you can see, PoolRx is proving you can make a difference in your own backyard at any age. To learn more about PoolRx, visit their website, PoolRx.com, or check out our website, designingspaces.tv.
When you're not feeling well, you head to the doctor. But when your home is in need of mending, the choice may not be so clear-cut. But for one Augusta, Georgia family, they knew just who to call.
So we've been in this house 18 years now.
She started thinking about upgrading as soon as she walked into the house. I love it. I'm going to change everything.
As far as the renovations go, I really do think about how we're evolving as a family. I really wanted to have as many private bathrooms for our guests as I could and not to have to share. We found House Doctors through our neighbor. They had done some work for them and I had seen it. Ended up just feeling very comfortable with what they could do. And I like to drum up silly ideas and thoughts about the process. And they either told me,
no,
not a good idea, or they were like, oh, I kind of like that,
Yeah,
and I'll do it for you.
So it's probably one of the reasons why we keep going and using them, because it's a known person you trust and you feel very comfortable with them.
For them, making home improvements wasn't just about fixing what was broken. It was about restoration, comfort, and pride in the place they call home. And they're not alone. According to industry findings, the home improvement market is booming. This growth is driven by aging housing stock, increased remote work, and rising demand for aging-in-place modifications.
You know, having a house doctor is, I kind of enjoyed that type of a pun myself, because, you know, go to a physician, get things taken care of, same thing for them. And they kind of have a range of stuff that they can do for you depending on what you need to do, including major work and then even minor stuff that needs to be redone because you didn't do it properly.
After relying on House Doctors for 7 previous renovations, including the master bedroom, bathroom, and deck, they decided their guest bath needed a refresh and met with Mark Boyd to discuss options.
Well, good morning, Keith and Christy. Thank y'all for coming in this morning.
Thank you.
How's everybody doing?
Doing great.
So we're doing a guest bathroom for you this time. Why are we doing the bathroom at this point?
Well, it's the original bathroom in the house, and we've owned the house since '07, but it was built in '98, and tiles starting to crack. There's been a little bit of a concern of a leak from the tub, and it's dated, it's old.
Keith and Christy have been long-term customers of ours for many, many years. When we started House Doctors, we really had it on the more of the handyman side, and as we moved into larger projects and renovations and remodels, they were one of our first customers. They trust us, and we've had a great relationship with them. And the house was built in the late 90s, and we're going to move it to a more modern bathroom, take out a tub and a standard stock vanity and put in something custom for them. I think the number one thing that most customers are afraid of is not knowing the contractor, having somebody come in, do part of the work, take part of their money, and never return. But the biggest thing about House Doctors is that we're part of a national franchise that really has the support and backing of multiple franchisees. All of our work and most of the materials that we put into a home through House Doctors has a manufacturer warranty on that, but our guarantee gives another 12 months on the craftsmanship. We want all the customers in our area to trust us to do the same thing for them that we're doing for the Finchers.
From the first estimate to the final walkthrough, House Doctors brings clarity to the process, integrity to the work, and heart to the home. Back at the Finchers, the renovation has gone according to plan. Within a few weeks, their new bathroom has taken shape.
What do you think?
Oh, I mean, we just love it. I mean, it just came out so wonderfully.
Right, thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mark.
We are really pleased with everything House Doctors has done.
And look forward for the next project, which I'm pretty sure my wife will have in the next 3 weeks.
Cha-ching.
We all know that struggle, chasing that truly restorative sleep. Nights of tossing and turning, waking up with aches and pains, or overheating. Well, today we're taking a look at a company dedicated to solving these sleep challenges. Let's take a look.
My role at Purple is the Chief Innovations Officer, so I'm in charge of all the technology and product development. Our mission statement's really simple, maybe a little audacious, but it's to deliver the greatest sleep ever invented. Purple innovation's really interesting in the mattress space. Historically, mattresses, with very few exceptions, don't have a lot of engineering and science in them. They typically have been the same sorts of layer cakes made of foam and springs for decades. So Purple Innovation's story is unique in that they've really applied a lot of material science, kinematics, ergonomics to understand how the human body interacts with a sleep surface. And that resulted in this coming up with this really unique material that solves a lot of problems. Purple's technology origins go back more than 20 years. They came up with this material in a geometry, we call it the GelFlex Grid. The way it works is when you lay on it initially, any high pressure concentration areas like your shoulders or your hips will overcome what we call the buckling threshold of these columns, and they collapse. And when they collapse, they don't push back anymore. They just let you sink in. So that's where the pressure relief comes. It's like a safety valve. Everywhere else where your body weight is distributed, the columns gently flex like a spring and they lift you up and hold you up. So you're supported, your spine's aligned, but we've taken away all the pressure in your pressure point areas. So it's really like floating on air. What's beautiful about the GelFlex Grid, because it instantly adapts, it actually gently kind of helps you change positions. And it also helps isolate that motion, and we don't transfer much of that to the partner. You can think of these squares, right? And they're hollow, there's nothing. So really, you're sleeping on these thin walls of grid distributed all the way across, and the rest of it's all open airspace. So if you're sleeping on a traditional foam bed, or memory foam's really bad for this, you're sleeping on an insulator, and air can't move through it, and it can't conduct heat, so the heat just sits there and builds up, and eventually, your body gets too warm, you start to perspire, and you wake up. So the grid is 10 times more conductive than foam for heat. So when you're laying on it, it's literally able to pull this heat that you're generating away and store it. And then the air channels allow humid air to move out and away. The third thing that does for you when you sleep on it, your body, to initiate sleep, wants to cool down. It wants to lower your core temperature. So if you're sleeping on something that aids that, you fall asleep faster. So it's this amazing combination of we can help you get to sleep faster, and you'll have fewer disruptions, and you wake up with less aches and pains as a result. The mattress we've got upstairs, it's a Rejuvenate Ultimate, and we've added some really interesting technology. We wanted to provide maximum pressure relief depth, but provide that stable, substantial luxury feeling that you want. So we came up with these stacked layers. So what we've got inside that bed is a layer of 3-inch GelFlex Grid directly stacked on top of a layer of 2-inch GelFlex Grid. What this does, it's pretty interesting. The 3-inch grid is a little bit softer, buckles a little sooner than the 2-inch, so that if you rolled over on your side, this isn't 3 inches on anybody, right? So when you roll over on your side, you buckle that first layer, but you also you buckle that second layer, and you get another 2 inches of pressure relief depth in that bed. And so even on your side, you still get this amazing buoyant, floaty feeling where we've removed all these pressure points. There's a pride that comes with being a local Utah company and also manufacturing our products in the United States. Also, it helps us maintain control over that process. And so having it all local, self-contained, and being vertically integrated allows us to be really nimble. We do have a pretty significant e-com business. That's actually where the company started. They were digitally native that way, which is great, but we know from our customer segments, above a certain price point, you're gonna go try that bed out and make sure it's the right bed for you. We have 55 to 60-ish dedicated Purple showrooms. If you go to one of our showrooms, you'll get the benefit of talking to what we call a sleep genius. That sleep genius will assist you. They'll ask you questions about what your primary sleep challenges and issues are, and they'll really help you find the right mattress for you. And then you can find us at least 3,000 mattress retailers. When I came to Purple, I'd never slept on one, didn't know much about mattresses. And they said, oh, this bed's gonna change your life. And I was like, you're right, come on, it's a bed, whatever. But it did, literally, like within 2 weeks, I was sleeping better than I had in years. And the only thing I had changed was the mattress. You don't have to choose between a bed that's soft and comfortable and one that's got the right support. It does both.
Purple's GelFlex Grid is redefining sleep with perfect comfort, support, and cooling. Experience the best sleep of your life. To learn more about Purple innovation, visit purple.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv.
For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.